So now we are back in the carriers and account section, but this time we will show you how you can upload your own carrier transit time list into your Freight Exchange account. And for this example, we will use follow month again as the carrier. So now click the view button under the transit times column and click the upload to start. And you still have two ways to upload your data, either upload a CSV file or copy and paste the data directly into this into this section, but this is only applicable for 100 rows and lesser. So for this example, we will upload a CSV file. So once you uploaded your file, you have to complete the advanced configuration section. So if your file contains column names, tick this button. If you're a parent account uploading for a specific child account, make sure to choose the child account from the list. And for this example, we will be uploading for this specific child account. Make sure that you also select the service that this list applies to and how you'd like the data to be processed. So if you'd like to override the existing data, tick this option. But if this list is to add to the existing data, then make sure to append to the existing data. And once you have completed that part, click continue to map columns. Now in this part, you have again to map the column headers from your file to the required fields in the Freight Exchange portal. And if your headers closely match ours, the system will automatically map them and you can manually adjust any fields that were not automatically mapped. So for this example, our columns headers match, so we can continue to validate. So the system will now validate your uploaded file and it will display the total number of records, how many records are valid, and any errors or warnings found during the validation. Then you'll be prompted to choose how you want to proceed. So if there are any fixable errors that the system found, it will give you an option to import the fixed file. But if the errors are unfixable, then you have the option to import the original file. So for this option, we only can import the original, so we will proceed with it. So once the import is complete, you'll be able to download a copy of the transit time list that was successfully uploaded. And if there were any errors, you can also download the error report, fix the rows, and then re-upload the corrected file. So that's it. You've successfully uploaded your own transit time list into your Freight Exchange account.